At the new court here for the community. This is your court. You all take care of it now. We went through a lot just to have this thing done. We did a benefit concert down in California. We raised enough just to cover this whole thing. Believe it or not, this whole thing cost 15 grand. So it's yours now. You take care of it. It's there for the community. It's real nice. We're lucky to have this. I want to thank John, his wife, Charles, and the whole church here for making this possible. And right now, I'd like to give it to Charles.
Thank you, Hank. Like Hank said, this did cost quite a bit of money, and we're very grateful to Mr. John Yanishanis. He started a GoFundMe page. We did PayPal donations. He did auction items. He did all kinds of things. I think I don't know what all he did, really. But we're very grateful for that. But one of the biggest parts he did, where you guys are sitting over there, is he wrote a proposal to the Fiesta Bowl. And they gave us $10,000 to help finish this. So that's why their logo's there in the center for the Fiesta Bowl. So if you're ever down in Phoenix and you get a chance to go to Fiesta Bowl, thank those guys at the basketball court. And Hank as well, who played music and helped us raise money at the concert. And all the people who've had a hand in this, we're really grateful. And like Hank said, this is for you guys. Mr. Yanishanis, John, a couple years ago was here during the summer teaching flute. He saw how much you guys like to play basketball and what condition our court was in, so he came to me and said, can we do something to make it better? And I think we have. So I'm going to give you John now.
Thank you. Yeah.
And thank you. Hojunda Klagetoh Az.
Tell them thank you. Oh, yeah. Love it.
We're very lucky.
Yeah, sure.
Like this,
We're going to do one of the tunes that we did down there in the concert. Some of the people that we performed with down there, they're not here today. They couldn't make it. They're all good musicians, and we got to play with them later on the whole DVD and the whole program. The concert, it should be out hopefully, right? And right now we're waiting on that. So thank you for all coming out today. This is your court, so and it's beautiful. We're lucky to have this. Okay? Thank John over here.
Thank you.
My mother told me, every part of this earth is sacred to our people. Every pine needle, every sandy shore, every mist of dark woods, every meadow and humming insect, all are holy in the memory of our people. My father said to me, I know the sap that courses through the trees, as I know the blood that flows in my veins. We are part of the earth, and is part of us. The perfumed flowers are our sisters. The beard, the deer, the great eagle, these are our brothers. The rocky crests, the meadows, the ponies, all belong to the same family. The voice of my ancestors said to me, the shining water that moves in the streams and rivers is simply not water, but the blood of your grandfather's grandfather. Each goes in reflection in the clear waters of the lakes, tells of memories in the life of our people. The water's murmur is the voice of your great-great-grandmother. The rivers are our brother. They quench our thirst. They carry our canoes and feed our children. You must give to the rivers the kindness you would give to any brother. The voice of my grandfather said to me, the air is precious. It shares its spirit with all the life it supports. The wind that gave me my first breath also received my last sigh. You must keep the land and the air apart and sacred, as a place where one would go to taste the wind that is sweetened by the meadow flowers. With all these, we are blessed and sacred. The voice of my grandmother said to me, teach your children what ye have been taught. The earth is our mother, treat her kindly. What befalls the earth befalls all the sons and daughters of the earth. This we know, all things are connected, like the blood that unites us. We did not weave the web of life. We are merely a strand in it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. We love this earth as a newborn loves its mother's heartbeat. Preserve the land, the air, and the rivers for your children's children, and love it as it loves you. My answer said to me, this we know. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. The blessings are many, and we are blessed by it. All is beautiful. All is beautiful.